recording. Oh gosh. Just one over there too. This is a very big one. This is a very big one. Oh my gosh. We're like pinned down in this thing. But at least we can avoid this one. Ooh. Sandy time. That's what it is. That thing is going up in the air.
It's going in one direction, it's a straight line. When it starts rotating, it starts working though.
Well, so far, that part of the straight line looks like it's shaping itself into some shape. But it's just going up. I don't know if it's rotating or not. Oh my god. We can't get anywhere without seeing one of these. And like, it wants us to see it all the time. This thing is everywhere. So far, we haven't seen a tree branch on the ground. This is one heck of a storm chase. We were originally chasing this rainy, bad weather until this caught our eyes. Yeah, I can't even see a thing over there.
That's not good.
Is that gonna be a tornado?
This guy in front of me is really slow too.
This is not a good time to be slow right now. Yikes.
I want to get over the freeway.
This is bad. This is so
While
bad.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions.
Like
and listen
this.
to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a severe weather bulletin. Severe thunderstorm watch number 243 remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Adams, and Juneau. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail
This one
and
over
damaging winds.
there?